So what is function or method overriding? So method overriding or function overriding is a very important concept. It's used actually in factory design pattern. So what is this method overriding? Uh, Method overriding means, for example, you have a class, a parent class, and you have a subclass or a child class. And parent class and subclass, child class have the functions, the same functions. They are of course different classes, but they have the same function name. Two functions with the same name, one in parent class, one in the subclass. They have the same parameters or arguments, and they have the same return type, both of the functions. So why we use it? We use it because the parent class gives some abstract implementation of this function, and the subclass, the child class, give a more detailed processing or information, of this to the upper class about this function, or how what this function will do. Like for example, if the parent class is like make a car, then the child class will implement this same function make car, but it will make, for example, a Mercedes car. For example, I can give an example, and then it will be more clear. Say we have a parent class which is called class car. It has a function called make car, and it has some implementation, whatever it is. And we have another function. We have another class called, let's say, Porsche, and this class is inherited, or it's a subclass of class car, and it implements the same function make car, but it returns us, let's say, or it makes whatever, see out, or printf, whatever, or make Porsche car. And then we have another class which is called class Mercedes, and this class also has this make car function, and it prints us, let's say, make Mercedes car. So that's the whole concept of method overriding. To this, and this pattern is of course called factory design pattern. It's one of the most common patterns used in programming languages. So if you want to be, you know, uh, if whenever you will be doing programming, you will have to, implement this factory design pattern, or you will encounter in other people's code this factory design pattern a lot. This method overriding concept is used there a lot. So, yep.